convene here at the Norwegian Ship Owner Associations, right on the edge of our...
And then I want to give the word to Sagbakken.
Your Excellency, President Ruto, Honorable Minister.
So also on a personal level, I feel very attached to Kenya and the Taita Taveta community.
You have a great maritime nation with many capabilities, but you also have a complementary country in the eastern coast of Africa who can partner with you with skills and competencies and human capital.
I am happy that the Minister of Fishery and Ocean Policies has recently invited Kenya to sign the Copenhagen Declaration on transnational organized crime in the global fishing industry. Following its adoption in 2018, it now has the support of 61 countries, and we hope that we can welcome you to take part in the Blue Justice Initiative.